Welcome. If you want to change vibration pattern in your OnePlus Nord, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now just go for the sounds and vibration, and here enter the vibration option. Tap on the vibrate pattern and the intensity. Okay, I think that I'm going to pick up this one. And at the bottom we can also change the vibration intensity between the light, medium and the strong. So pick up your favorite. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.